Your AI just told you to create compelling content that resonates with your target audience. Again, here's the brutal truth. AI gives you generic advice because it has zero clue what your business actually does. Every conversation starts from scratch. No memory of your customers, your products, your voice, your challenges. Picture this. You're a wedding photographer asking ChatGPT for marketing ideas. It spits out generic social media tips that could work for literally any business. Meanwhile, your competitor who sells accounting software gets the exact same advice. That's not strategy. That's digital fortune cookies. This happens because AI tools reset every single conversation. They don't remember that you're B2B, not B2C. They don't know your customers are busy executives, not price shopping consumers. They have no context about what's worked for you before or what's failed spectacularly. I see this every week with my clients. A solo consultant spent 3 months getting generic LinkedIn advice from Claude before we fixed their setup. Now Claude knows their niche, their client pain points, their content style. Same AI, completely different results. The fix isn't switching AI tools. It's custom instructions. Custom instructions are your business context on steroids. Instead of re-explaining your business every conversation, you teach the AI once. Your industry, your customers, your voice, your goals, your constraints. Here's how to build them properly. Start with your business fundamentals. What do you sell? Who buys it? Why do they choose you over competitors? Be specific. I help small businesses is garbage. I help solo therapists get more clients through Google, gives the AI something to work with. Next, define your customers precisely. Demographics, pain points, buying behavior. Where do they hang out? What keeps them up at night? How do they make decisions? The more specific, the better advice you'll get. Then comes your voice and constraints. Are you formal or casual? Do you swear? Are you technical or simple? What topics do you avoid? What budget ranges do you work in? AI needs boundaries to give you relevant advice. Let me show you the difference. Generic instruction, help me with marketing. Custom instruction, I'm a solo financial advisor serving tech workers in San Francisco. My clients are 28 to 40, make $200,000 plus, terrible with money despite high income. I focus on investment strategies and tax optimization. My voice is friendly but credible, no jargon, lots of analogies. I don't do insurance or debt consolidation. Same AI, completely different advice quality. Now here's the advanced move. Update your instructions based on what works. AI gave you a great email template? Tell it that style works for your audience. Campaign flopped. Add that insight too. Your custom instructions become smarter over time. I set this up for a solo consultant last week. Before, generic productivity tips that didn't fit their workflow. After, specific strategies for their exact client type and business model. Same conversation topics, but now the AI understands their world. The difference is night and day. Instead of wasting time explaining context every conversation, you jump straight to strategic advice that actually fits your business. Stop accepting generic advice from AI that doesn't understand your business. Your competitors are already figuring this out. Visit keepersharp.com to see how custom instructions can transform your AI conversations from generic to game-changing.